Hello, fashion friends and family. This is Stacy here from Sew Bromo, Mason Elsa Fitzgerald, and the Fashion Heritage Needle Trades Foundation. I'm here to talk to you about the Intro to Pattern Drafting course. So this course is to help you get started in drafting your own patterns. It's actually a complex process. It's not as simple as you would imagine. And so it can be a bit overwhelming working with these specialized rules and taking your own body measurements and then converting them into drafting a pattern. And so in this class, you will take your own body measurements and then you will draft a pattern for a pair of leggings. Depending on the speed and your ability, you may be able to lay that pattern onto fabric and then cut and sew it into a legging. It's not going to be highly polished and finished in the sense of it'll be a first prototype, but it's a really good learning for you to go through those steps. All the materials and tools are provided in this training. You will also receive the manual so that you can refer back when you're trying to do this on your own. Well, we look forward to seeing you in class. Bye.